Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to bring to you guys a couple items that I think are really good. And first off, the one that we're looking at, this is a power station. So this one, it's a Jackery. It's a well-known brand out there, and this is the model 1000. And it comes with three 1000 watts AC outlets, and it's a solar generator for home backup, emergency, outdoor, and camping. So basically what it is you can charge this with the solar, or you can charge it with the home outlet. And as you can see here, there's displays that give you like the EV inputs and the outputs, how much watts you're using. As you can see right here, that's three outlets right there. And over here it has a car type of battery. It has a USB type C, and it has the quick charge for 3.0 as well too. So you can use this to charge your tablet, your cell phones, or your drones. If you're going camping, you know, you would definitely need this thing right here. All right, so that's regular price for this is $1,000, and now as you can see right here, if you join Prime, and you can buy this for $500. And in my descriptions, you can give you a link to join Prime. All right, so you don't want to take advantage of it, that would be good. About $500 off. That's really awesome. So, and like I said, this one you can also buy like a 100 watt or 200 watts portable solar panels, and you can charge this, and basically you're just getting free energy, right? So, and then it's portable. You can take it anywhere you like. If you're a contractor, you can also use this too. As you can see right here, it tells you what it can handle. It can handle electric grill, mini cooler, and also a coffee maker, which is awesome. Not too many power stations out there that can power this, or at this price for $500, which is awesome. Because think about this, $500 off. All right, here just compare like the older traditional generator. It has like air pollution. You either use gas or oil, and it's what ongoing cost, noisy, heavy, and it's hard to set up. And on the other side, it's eco-friendly. It's powered by solar, so it's zero emissions. It's economic. You know, you use sunlight to charge it, and it's quiet, it's lightweight, it's portable, and you can use it for a very, very long time. Okay, at least 10 years or so. All right, the next item that I have for you guys is this clamp meter. So I don't know if the price is just so good. Its regular price is what, $92.60. And you can get this is for $63.72. So this is a kit. So it comes with everything that you see right here. Okay, so I think that's really good. And as you can see, Klein is a well-known brand, and look at the review. It's a 4.8 out of 5, so which is like pretty much almost perfect review. And they have about 633 reviews so far. So if you're into, you know, if you're an electricians, or you're dealing with a lot of electrical stuff, so you definitely want to get this one right here too. All right, so next off, all right, check this out. Garage camera. So this one will be compatible with Chamberlain, Craftsman, and this one, its regular price is $49, and now you can get it for $25, right? And which is, you can see the review, over 100,000 reviews, and it's 4.3 out of 5. So pretty much it shows you right here. It tells you who's coming in and out of your garage. It detects all the motion, stuff like that. So this is where you would place your camera, right underneath the motor, and then you can monitor with your cell phone or with your computer. And here it just says, you know, you can allow the Amazon delivery, you know, just to open it and to leave it inside your garage. And usually this doesn't go on sales quite often, but you know, for $25 I think is reasonable, because I think somewhere I see like on my app is like $79 or $75, which is crazy. So I would never buy it at that price, you know. But here's an opportunity if you're looking for a MyQ camera. This is a perfect time to buy. All right. So last but not least, check this out. Kit Motors Extreme Quad Pink, 6 volts. So this one, it's what, regular price is $100. Now you can get it for $49. This one, if you have like a birthday that you're gonna be going to, and it's happen to be a girl, I think for $49, this would make an awesome gift or if you want to get it for your own daughter or your friend, daughter's friends, or whoever, you know what I mean. But for the price, it's very hard to beat, and anybody that receiving this gift would be going nuts. All right. So this one, it has about 2,166 reviews, and the reviews is not bad at all. It's 4.2 out of 5, which is awesome. And again, your savings 50% off. And let's see if they have any other colors. So they only have pink one too, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I will leave all the links in the description, so that will make it easy for you guys, you know, just to click on it to buy it. And also, I am an Amazon affiliate partner, so when you buy it through the link, I do get a little bit of commissions. You know, that's one way saying thank you to me, or you know, for doing all the, you know, the deals hunting and bring it to the audience. You know, if you love the channel, you know, subscribe, and if you like the videos and you love the savings, you know, feel free to give a thumbs up. That will encourage me to do more videos like this. But other than that, thank you for watching. It's happy July 4th. Be safe with everyone, and till next time.